Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to look at Ethena, which is a new synthetic dollar protocol built on Ethereum. So want to talk about it because really I've just literally gone through CoinMarketCap today and I saw this thing sort of trending. So yes, I know I'm late again, but I just want to talk about it because sometimes there's a bigger reason as to why these sort of things happen. But overall we can see $1.3 billion market cap, so relatively not that massive, but like it's still got room for a lot of growth. Of course, getting to $1 billion is a massive milestone, and that does require a lot of volume, liquidity, and overall utility and fundamental. But we can see here 9.5% of these tokens are circulating right now, so that's not a lot of the supply, and that's something, of course, that you have to be aware of when buying into coins like this long term. Now, from a market point of view, it looks like it's accessible everywhere almost, except Coinbase. It's on Binance, of course, and other tier 2 exchanges like MEXC, Bitmart, BitGet, BingX, etc. like that. But you can see, right, this is like one of the only coins that is maintaining a solid uptrend while the rest of the market has kind of decided to take a little bit of a dip right here. So I'm just trying to think, like, is this going to hit $1? Is this going to hit $1.50? Will it hit $2? Maybe it'll go down and hit 50 cents after all of this. But we can see clearly Ethena right here, ENA is the ticker to symbol right here. It's looking, quite strong, isn't it? It's looking like it's just broken out of this ascending triangle pattern, and we're getting a bit of continuation to the upside. So that happened, big breakout to the 141 level. You can see at the moment, looks like it's just taking a small pullback, but no real harsh correction that I can see. And it hasn't been on Binance for a long time. 2nd of April is when it was listed on Binance, but since the listing, it has been nothing short of impressive. And we can actually see that Ethena is still in a very solid uptrend, about 74% up from that particular listing time. But yeah, guys, all these things, they go up, but they do eventually come down. So this is, of course, very risky, not financial advice, just having a real look at it. Enabling the internet bond, Atha Labs, enabling the internet bond. It says 152,000 followers. You can see here 2 hours to go into our discussions with RuneKek, MakerDAO, Paul Frambot, at Atha Labs. There's some real big sort of key partners and players here. Binance Futures, April 1. Futures is thrilled to launch a giveaway of a total prize pool of 700,000 ENA as well. That's a lot of money. It's like $700,000 right there because they're about $1 each, which is absolutely crazy to see. But yeah, they're constantly pushing, constantly plugging. You can even see, I don't know if that's Korean, Japanese or what, but they're also targeting the Asian market as well. Massive market. So yeah, this is really interesting actually. Users can now access the following PendleFi to begin earning 20x sats, 100 mil pool on OX Mantle, boosted with Eigenlayer points. So this is really cool. This is something interesting. This is the website right here. It says enabling the internet bond, synthetic dollar, and internet native yield, where you got SUSDE APY of 35.4%. You can see they're backed by a ton of large kind of organizations, VCs and things like this here. Arthur Hayes, Dragonfly, Binance Labs. And on the top there, you've got 1.9 billion TVL, 35.4% on the yield, 118,000 users. So they've obviously grown extremely quickly, which is just rapid, really rapid. Because I never even heard about this token until literally today. Now, when you click enter the Ether right there, it takes you through to this, where you have the Sats campaign, and you can see you've got in the top right here, SUSDE APY 35.4%. It says trailing 1 week daily average of protocol return transferred into the staking contract divided by total staked USDE, annualized with weekly compounding. So it looks like a lot of staking can happen here, right? You can see EPOS 1, EPOS countdown 5 days 20, and rewards in late 2024. So how to earn? You've got Ethena, you can lock USDE, you can buy and hold USDE. You can click these different buttons right here. So this is quite an extensive DeFi protocol. This is big. This is also quite complex as well. So I would have to spend some time navigating this DeFi protocol myself to fully understand it. But USDE is like, I'm not going to say it's anything like USDT and stuff like that. But this is really interesting to see what could actually happen here. So going back to Sats, you've got Pendle, liquidity pools, layer 2s, You can bridge USDE to Mantle and enter Pendle. So this is just very, very complex, deep stuff. And you've got some big APYs sitting here as well. And when you get in early to these sort of protocols, sometimes you go crazy. I don't want to compare it to PancakeSwap, but back in the day, PancakeSwap was really a big one. And yeah, here we can just see lots of sort of leveraging, lending, borrowing of assets could be a very big thing. Here you can also click the buy button, where you can send USDT into USDE, and you can actually convert different kind of things here. You can connect wallets, all kinds of wallets. In fact, so many wallets, I've never even seen them all before. So this is really a big, big protocol right here. So you stake your USDE for SUSDE, and yeah, you can claim after 7 days right there. And the staking APY is 35.4%, as you can see on screen. Liquidity as well. So here we can see we've got Ethena pools, the limit, the TVL locked in, Pendle, liquidity pools, layer 2s, comprising of circuit, injective, and Pendle, money market. So overall, the TVL is solid, right? You can see that 1.9 bill there, 456 mil there, lots of liquidity, very complex ecosystem, like I say. But here is your dashboard, where you're going to have Ethena sats, LP positions, SUSD balance, USDE balance as well. What do I think of it? I mean, it looks extremely complex. It looks like it's got tons of value, however. And I think, it could definitely be something that does grow a lot in the future. If we look over here at Atha Labs, it says, Ethena is a synthetic dollar protocol built on Ethereum that will provide a crypto-native solution for money, not reliant on traditional banking system infrastructure, alongside a globally accessible dollar-denominated savings instrument, the internet bond. So this is like blockchain bonds. Athena's synthetic dollar, USDE, will provide the first censorship-resistant, scalable and stable crypto-native solution for money achieved by delta hedging staked Ethereum collateral. USDE will be fully backed transparently on-chain and free to compose throughout DeFi. USDE peg stability is ensured through the use of delta hedging derivatives positions against protocol-held collateral. The internet bond will combine yield derived from staked Ethereum as well as the funding and basis spread from perpetual and futures markets to create the first on-chain crypto-native bond that can function as a dollar-denominated savings instrument for users in permitted jurisdictions. That is a freaking cool ecosystem right there. So it's easy to feel bullish on this one. Would like to find out more about overall the tokenomics, supply structure, how these tokens will be released into the ecosystem. But it's a cool one, guys. It does look good. Potential is there. Don't know how long this pump will last, of course, but FDV value of 13.7 billion right now. And if you do want to buy it, of course, not financial advice, MEXC is the place to do so. No KYC trading. Let's actually just quickly see how it's looking on MEXC whilst we are here. May as well see if there's a trading pair. Can actually see, yeah, 0.92 over here. So we can see it is trading right now live on MEXC. It's tempting just to buy some on screen, but I just don't enjoy buying or chasing the green candles sometimes. And obviously it's pumped a lot right now. I highly doubt there are any positions here. Am I in the red? I'm in the red today, but that's fine. We already closed some good profits earlier today. So yeah, what I'm thinking is right now, I highly doubt this is, oh wow, okay. Oh, the degen in me has just come out. You can go long on this. That's crazy. I mean, that's risky. I don't know if I want to go long on it, but it would be very fun. Shall I just YOLO along? I mean, I'm so bad. I'm so bad. Do not copy what I'm doing. We're YOLOing a long position. So we're on a 5x, so we probably want a 10,000 margin. So that's a $2,000 margin. We're going to just hit a long position. This is so risky, but the trend is your friend. Let's see what happens with this one, right? So yeah, ENA looking potentially good. I think it could do well. 92 cents over there, guys. So we put a long in with no stop loss or anything like that. I will put those in later, by the way. Not just going to leave that hanging with no SL, SP, and TP. So yeah, this could either go up or down from here. It's completely gambling, basically. 16 days, 23 hours for the Bitcoin halving. That is something we do know is happening. And I do think we will potentially see Bitcoin make a bullish reversal soon. We've also got Dogecoin 20 looking fantastic. 16 days, 23 hours to go until Dogecoin 20 is fully done and dusted. They are launching on International Doge Day. So if you do want to get yourself into a new ICO in the meme coin space, you can collect your MetaMask. I've got a link down below to take you to the right website. This is Dogecoin effectively on ERC20 network, where it gets rid of all the inflation that the existing Dogecoin has. And you can see they have a solid roadmap of 140 billion tokens as well on the tokenomics side. So you're going to see potentially, a dollar is possible on paper right here. And yeah, this could be one that does pretty well. Big Twitter already, 13,000 followers, loads of influencers, and people are talking about this in the news. Remember, not financial advice, but if you do want to get some Dogecoin 20, as it could be the next 10 to 100x cryptocurrency, there is a link right down below where you can do some research on it. Now, I also want to just talk about very quickly my Patreon have been calling out some gems recently. Credifier was one of them. Got you in at 0.025. It is now 0.054. So if you do want to enjoy some potential profits, then that could be the place to do so. Yeah, Discord down below, Patreon down below, Dogecoin 20 is down below, and everything you need is basically down below. But let me know what you think of Ethena. Do you think this will continue to pump? It's now at 0.93 something here. We are up a little bit on that position, but I don't know if there'll be much sustenance here. We'll have to see, what the market wants for this coin. It looks like there's tons of value, but nothing goes up forever, so I'm very much aware of that. Although, this looks like there's a lot of utility and potential there. So Ethena could be a good one. Let's see what happens. Subscribe if you're new here. Hit the notification bell if you want to hit your crypto goals this 2024. And see you all very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Peace.